Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a brand in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a brand on BigCommerce can help you organize and showcase products by brand, which improves user navigation and can be useful for SEO. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to access the BigCommerce admin dashboard, and on the left side panel, you might want to go to the storefront. Okay, if you click that, you would be able to move freely going to the brands. All right. If you click on it, what will happen is you would be forwarded here, and all you have to do is click the add a brand. You see, these are the default brands that you can find. All right, there's gonna be a gear icon setting we're in. Now again, all we have to do is click this small button here. Remember that brands can be associated with products, allowing your customers to shop by browsing their favorite brands. All I have to do is click the brand here. And from here, just click on the brand names, and that's gonna be, all right, it's very simple. All I have to do is click on the save button, and you see the G-Plaps brand has been added here. Now from here, again, click the gear icon settings and click the view in page builder. What will happen is you would be forwarded here in the section wherein you can create the preview button for your desktop, tablet, and other devices such as your mobile. All right, so these are some of the options. As you can see, that is our brand. All right, you can G-Plaps. So here it is. All right, now you see, now once you have finalized all this, I want you to hover again to the option on the BigCommerce dashboard right here and go to the settings. You have to hover down below where you can see the brand. All right, it's gonna be here. You just have to find the product itself. All right, so the product is here, advanced accounting, and a lot more. Might want to check the product section. All right, and then go back again to the settings, store profile. Then now go to the general and click on display, wherein you can find all the information. Make sure that, you see, go to the product settings right here. Make sure that the brand is enabled, all right? Show products brand. Make sure it's enabled, and from there, click on save, and that's basically how you add brand in BigCommerce. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.